Hi, I'm Justin Ball, owner of HammerHead, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot a leaking tub spout with a diverter. So if you're experiencing an issue where you run the water and you pull the diverter up and there's still a bit of water leaking out of the tub spout here, right? What you'll need to do is replace the internal mechanism here, okay? Okay, so here's what it looks like. Okay, we have two washers stacked like that, okay? So you'll have this, this washer with this facing out like this, okay? So what we'll do is, I'm just gonna rotate this upside down. You may not be able to, but what you'll see here is that there's a flathead fitting, okay? I like to just unscrew this entirely, okay? Just be careful, not drop anything down the drain, okay? I'm gonna take this apart, okay? So this is the current part, okay? And then this is the new part. And again, you can see the indentation is facing out. So I'm gonna slide this new one back in like that. I'll put this O-ring back over there and just thread the top onto the stem of this. Nice and snugly. Okay, good. So now we'll run this again. So now you can see it's making a full seal, okay? And really the only thing that's damaged in here is the this fitting with lots of hot water over time going up and down can degrade and not make a proper seal, okay? So it's really this one, but we send you the whole part if you need it, okay? As you can see, no more leaking. So thanks for joining me in this troubleshooting video. I hope that helps you out. I'm Justin Ball, the showerhead guy, signing out for now.